Have you heard about this situation in Texas with the cold?
I have. Yeah. Especially on TikTok. Like, it's all Texas. Frozen homes and
I'm
broken
sensing a
pipes
trend
and-
here, Will.
What, TikTok?
Yeah.
I like TikTok.
Your number of TikTok references on this show are skyrocketing.
Yeah.
Starting to remind.
I'm a fan, you know?
Do you have an agenda?
Maybe.
Secret TikTok promotions in the show?
Yeah.
Texas got hit with a storm, with a once in 100-year type of cold snap that they were unprepared for and experienced. Well, I mean, of course, unprepared for. I mean, maybe not, of course, but it's an unlikely event, and that's what happens with these natural events. Will, I'm not trying to turn it into anything more than that. It's an unexpected event, and an unexpected event often leads to unexpected consequences. That's kind of the way things go. Anyway, the reason I chose this story, I mean, obviously there's a lot of people suffering. If you're in Texas, shout out. Hope you're doing well. Hope you found the warmth. Hope you figured something out.
Yeah.
Because it's for real. It is actually like,
and power.
Like, I've seen people are freezing indoors. I've seen a lot of water damage as the stuff starts to melt.
Yeah,
It's
broken pipes.
A lot of places are not insulated there the same way as here. Obviously, the power setup, power generation, and distribution, and everything got disrupted, right?
Yeah.
So, power and heat. Anyway, the reason I chose this story because Tesla Powerwalls actually worked to help some people who found themselves in this situation. You can see the electricity at this one house on the street over here. These, of course, are the things that, it goes in the garage, and the solar panel powers up the battery pack. The battery pack acts sort of like a battery generator, power generator. It's just power stored on the battery, but they're huge batteries, so you can actually run your house, or at least an important portion of your house for a period of time. I don't have one of these things, potentially up to like 48 hours or something. And what is it here? Yeah, well, here's an example. There's a screenshot of 22.5 total backup hours inside of one battery. Houston Sunrun customer and employee Robert Soldat has a home solar and battery system that provided him nearly 46 hours of backup power during the rotating blackouts. 46 hours is not bad, Will.
Yeah.
That's going to get you through most blackouts. And I know there's going to be some people watching saying, well, can't you just have a generator? Sure, you can have a generator. You're going to have fuel on hand for something like this. And that's probably smart too, as an alternative method. But it's still cool nonetheless to see how some of these technologies can help out in a pretty serious time of need. Like, you know how you love a gadget or a product when you really need it and it comes through?
Yes.
Like, this is the ultimate version of that moment. You had this battery sitting there, you told your wife or husband or whoever, like, you bought this thing and you're like, this is going to come in handy.
One day.
This
honey.
is really important.
Yeah.
And then you get the 100-year cold snap and you power up the battery and you look down the street and you're like, damn, it actually did matter. And so that's kind of cool. But certainly people should probably, when it comes to emergencies, have multiple sources of energy and energy options.
Yes.
Because you don't know exactly what you're in for.